Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel where I upload videos on how you'll be able to design a lot of things using just your Pixellab. So if this is your first time or you've been visiting and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video to people who you know might be needing it. All right, so today we'll be looking at how to design an amazing logo. This amazing logo you just saw on the thumbnail. So I'll just pick the shape I want to use for this. I'll be picking this one, this shape that has 6 faces. This one I can just place it here and use this position to make sure it's at the middle. Once I position it like this, I'll have to copy this. I'll copy this and use this again, and also I'll just change the color. I'll be taking this color, for example, and then I'll reduce the size of this and also make it to be at the middle using this relative position. Make it to be like this. So what I'll do next is I'll have to merge these two things together. I'll just select the two and merge them together, then go down to erase color, enable this, and I'll have to place this here and mark it good. All right, so the next thing I'll do here is I'll go to my shapes again. I'll go to shapes. I'll select this shape. I can just pick this color, reduce the size of this, and I'll place it here. Let me make sure this is the middle, and I'll use this, apply the same thing here too. So I can just crop, I'll just merge them together and then go down to erase color, enable it, and erase this color once again. Good. So another thing I'll add there is I'll have to go to my shape again, just like I've been doing before. I can just select it from here. So I'll go to shapes. I'll select this, then reduce the size, reduce the length like this, increase the radius. I'll just increase the radius like this, and good. So I'll place this here. I'll use this relative position to make sure it's at the middle. Use this for this one too. So I can just move this down, reduce the size, and then move it down like this. Just trying to adjust it to look very better. Then I'll have to copy this. I'll copy this and I'll increase the length, reduce the width like this. I have to reduce the size. Then I'll use this position to place it here. Can reduce it again, then increase it by this. Good. So I'll copy this and then I'll place it here. I'll place it like this. Use this position to adjust it. Can just reduce the size. Move this to be here. I can still use this also to adjust it. So what I'll do next is I'll have to merge I'll merge everything here apart from this one that I'm masking here. I'll just select this, this, and this, and then merge them together. Then go to color. So then I'll go to this color and I'll choose the color I want. I'll use this color. I'll choose this color and then I'll select this again. Go here and select this. Go to color and I'll select the color I want. I'll be choosing this color here. So I'll just merge all these things together. Let me select another color. I don't really like this color. Good. So I'll just merge everything here together. Good. So I'll go to emboss. I can just adjust it like this, then reduce the light like this, and just to make the design look very nice, then increase the hardness like this. So I'll go to shadow again, enable this shadow, and then I can adjust it like this and adjust it this way too, towards the y axis. So the last thing I'll do here is I'll have to impute the name of this logo, which is data graph. Okay, I'll increase the size like this, place it here, and I'll have to change the font. So I can just go to AB font and I'll select the font I want from here. I'll be selecting this font. Then go to color. I'll add a color to it. I'll add this color to it. This color that I'm making use of. Then I'll go to stroke. Enable the stroke. I'll add a black stroke to it. And also go to shadow. I'll add a black shadow to it so that it will look more clear and very nice. So this is how I was able to design that amazing logo. This is how this logo was designed. If this video is useful to you, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like and comment on the comment section how useful it is to you, and also comment on whether you need any type of design inspiration. Then I'll get to your message as soon as possible. Thank you so much for being here once again, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and get in touch, because I'll be uploading more videos from now till the fourth day, from now till 24th 21st of 25th of this month, which will be the last day for this my logo design challenge. So thank you once again if you've been visiting all this while, and don't forget to always get in touch for more videos and more tutorials.